Hey you guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday, is actually Easter Sunday. I just got home not too long ago, maybe a couple of hours, and I've been nonstop going. I hung out with my mom at her house. I hung out with my siblings there. We ended up at the casino, just spending time with family, and I hope y'all had a great Easter as well. But anyway, so I'm going to come on here because we are going to be starting another week of what's sold on eBay. I do these every 2 weeks. You did not see one today from the past 2 weeks. It's because somehow it just didn't upload and I have no idea what happened. So we're going to be behind on videos. So the one from 2 weeks ago is either going to be posted tomorrow, which is Monday the 9th, or probably next Sunday. I don't know really, but it'll be there. Anyways, so today we are celebrating because we have 4 sales. Now, I haven't had 4 sales in a long time, just for like one day. It has been super slow for me from March, and then April has been slow so far. It's only the second week in April, which is totally fine. I have not listed anything in like over a week, so I'm very surprised that I got these sales in, but I'm also super excited as well. Anyways, so the first item that we're going to talk about is from Mercari. So I have 1 from Mercari and 3 from eBay. So the first one is this paperweight. It is a very, very beautiful, as you can see, aquarium, beautiful aquarium paperweight with fishes and coral reefs. It is not signed down below, but this is very heavy. It's probably like 3 pounds or so. This is going to be going as UPS through Mercari. And I listed this for $11 on Mercari. Somebody sent an offer for me for $9 and I went ahead and accepted it. It's really pretty. I don't like packaging glass, but sometimes whenever there is paperweight involved, I do pick it up at yard sales when I can, if it's a reasonable price. I did pay $3 for this, so I was hoping that I can get more from it, but they sent an offer. I usually accept offers anyways, so this $3 turned into $9, plus the buyer paid for shipping as well. So moving on, the next 3 items are all from eBay, and I do have my cheat sheet, so if you see me like looking down and everything, that is the reason. So the first off, the one that we're going to talk about is this plush. It is the Hello Kitty plush that I've had probably since October maybe, and it's been listed since October as well. I listed this for $11 and I sent a offer for $8 because I had 2 watchers, 1 or 2 watchers. So I sent an offer for $8 and they accepted it. It was promoted. They are going to be paying for shipping as well, which shipping is going to be roughly around $5.50. I think that is what I set the price at. But yeah, so this, I don't remember how much I paid for this as well, and I cannot remember for the life of me where I got this from. I don't know if it was from an not eBay sale, from a yard sale or a Goodwill sale. So I have no idea. I'm going to have to check my records on that. But turned it into $8, and that is awesome. And the next thing that we're going to talk about is this one that I actually just picked up a couple of weeks ago for $2 at a yard sale, at one of the bigger yard sales that I've talked about a couple of weeks ago on one of the what sold on eBay. But it is this Toy Story puzzle. It is the Disney Pixar. It is sealed, brand new, never used. Like I said, it's a Disney Pixar. It's a 300-piece puzzle. And if you look very closely in the puzzles, you will see that there is like some little, I guess you can say like movie clips within the puzzle, which that is actually pretty cool. Like I said, I got this for $2. It sold for $14, which is great. I like to pick up puzzles, but here lately, some of the puzzles that's been on my eBay store for the longest time since last year has not sold very well. So I'm actually just pushing and pushing those puzzles out. I think I'm going to plan on just purchasing something Disney related, if it's puzzle wise or anything like that, or if it's still sealed. But so that is what I plan on doing. So this $2 turned into $14 plus shipping. Shipping's going to be around $6. And last but not least, before I turn this camera on, we did get another sale, and this sale is on a set of books. So this is the Babysitter Club Super Summer Special. This is Scholastics. If y'all remember this, I remember going to the book fair and everything. And also we would get like the little catalog for Scholastics. And I would go home and be like, oh, I have this much money. Can I please order this? And I would get books. So that was my first interaction of, you know, loving books and growing up reading them and everything. But I picked this up. I have no idea how much I think I picked this up at the Goodwill for $2. And this one sold for $15 plus shipping. Now, this one is, I did list this for $20 and they sent an offer for $15, which I think is a very reasonable price. And then I went ahead and accepted it. They are going to be paying for shipping, which is going to be medium mail. So that is usually around $4.65 for any books and everything. And I can't remember like what year this is. I wish I would actually like look, because it might be like vintage, and I just priced it really low and I didn't know. But I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, so the Babysitters Club box set, 1, 2, and 3 books, and this sold for $15. But anyways, so that is it for all of the sales that we have encountered for Easter, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey you guys, so it is the second week of what sold on eBay, and today is April the 16th, and we have 2 offers that came in late last night, so I decided that I was going to include it in this week's video. So the first 2, well, the only 2, they both came from eBay, and they actually are like high dollar ones. Well, high dollar to me. They're not like $30, $40, anything like that. But the first one, I literally listed this on Friday and it sold on Saturday. I have 2 of these. So I'm going to have to relist it whenever this gets delivered. But anyway, so this is this vintage Radio Shack. Y'all remember Radio Shack? I've never been into a Radio Shack because my mom would never take me into one. I'm not sure. It's probably because she is full Filipino. She really doesn't understand electronics. She knows how to work her cell phone and everything, but we pretty much have to help her with it. But we never went into Radio Shack when we were younger. So I think it was like a smaller version of Best Buy, but in like a smaller building as well. But anyway, so this is a vintage Radio Shack volume control pillow speaker. It's a convenient side-mounted volume control, fits comfortably under a pillow. Enjoy TV or radio without disturbing others. So that is actually pretty cool. Never heard of it, never knew this existed. I paid $1 for both of, well, actually $1 a piece. I have 2 of these, $1 a piece. And where's my cheat sheet? I can't remember. I listed this for $18.90 plus shipping. Now the shipping is going to be 5 ounces, which is going to be first class. And the shipping is going to be $4.24. So $1 that turned into $18.90, brand new, still in package, plus shipping $4.24, makes for a very easy profit for me. And then next, I actually listed this last month because it actually goes with Mother's Day theme. It can go with birthday themes as well for moms, but it is this Precious Moments American Greetings. It is for mom. It's like a little trinket, if you can see right here. It's a little trinket. It said, a mom's love is the best gift of all. So like I said, this could be for Mother's Day, and it also can be for your mom's birthday, anything like that. I have 2 of these as well, and I want to say I paid 50 cents for these. I want to have to look back in my notes, but yeah, so I am pretty sure I didn't pay more than $1 for this because I got it from that huge yard sale into the city. So 50 cents, but of course I'll link the prices on the screen somewhere. but I'm going to say it was 50 cents. So I paid $1 for 2 of them, and I listed this for $14 plus shipping. This is going to be going as first class as well. I already weighed it and everything, which it was like 11.7, but I didn't tape the box up or anything, so I'm not sure if that's going to add any weight. So I just rounded up to 13 ounces, and the shipping cost is going to be $6.22 for this. It's going to go first class. I'm going to put it in this small 6x6x6 box that I get from Walmart all the time. But yeah, so this item, 50 cents turned into $14. And then this one, just a recap, $1 turned into $18.90. So that is it for the sales for today. And hopefully we will have a great week this week. So I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey you guys, I am back, and it is actually Friday, April the 21st. I have 2 offers, one that came in today and then the other one came in on Thursday. So I'm going to show you guys this real quick, and then I'm going to probably end the video. And I know it's Friday, I usually end the video on Saturday, but my mom is down and we are gearing up for the annual community sale neighborhood, and I'm actually going to be selling this weekend. This is going to be, we've been here for 3 years, starting next month. It'll be 3 years since we've been in this house, and I've only participated once in this yard sale. So I am going to be participating again this year. So we'll see how much I make. Hopefully I can make a video or maybe a money challenge or something like that. So the first item that we're gonna do is the one that sold, or the one that actually sold on the 14th, but just paid on Thursday. So it is this Star Wars Mandalorian puzzle. It is a Prime 3D puzzle. It has 300 pieces and it has Baby Yoda on it. So I have no idea where I got this from. I don't know how much it costs or anything. I might have to look back at my notes. Even if I wrote down when and where and how much I got this, still cannot remember. But I know that I uploaded this sometime last year, and this sold today or Thursday for $8 plus shipping. Shipping is roughly going to be about $5.40. It's going to go first class USPS. But yeah, so first item sold for $8. The next one, I actually listed this, I believe, like on January 1st of 2023. I'm looking at Dobby because he's just like walking around the garage. But anyways, so this one is the Alf hand puppet. If anybody can remember this little guy, it's vintage. He has his little sunglasses. He does not have his surfboard. That is the only thing that is missing from him, but he's a hand puppet. As you can see, he's very cute. I actually bought this from one of the YouTubers on here that I watch, American Arbitrage. And I actually bought this off of his Whatnot just so I can support him and everything. But I listed this, I think I paid like maybe $5 for this or so. That is like plus shipping. But I listed this on Mercari and on eBay, and this sold on Mercari for $11 this morning. But yeah, and I am projected to make, I have my little cheat sheet because Mercari always just tells you exactly how much you're going to make. That is after shipping, after the buyer pays all the taxes and fees that are taken out. So with this, I'm going to be making $8.87 for this hand puppet. So that sold this morning, and then the Star Wars Mandalorian 300-piece 3D puzzle sold as well. So yeah, so those are my 2 items. I'm going to end this video right here. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money sale. And if you like these videos, let me know down below because I would love to continue to do these. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.